Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 6 divided 1 by 10 times 10. It looks simple, but still many people fail to solve this because they cancel out 10 with the 10 and 6 divided 1 is 6, which is a wrong answer. When you have given division and multiplication, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. Here, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, and D stands for division. Both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So here we have given 6 divided 1 by 10 times 10. So when you have given division and multiplication, as we discussed, both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So from left to right, if you have given division sign, there is a difference between 6 divided 1 by 10 and 6 multiply 1 by 10. This one you can write it as 6 by 10, but this is not in this case. In this case, you have to follow KCF rule, where K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication and flip the right hand. So it becomes 6 times 100, which is 600. So the correct answer is 600, not 6. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.